Welcome back to the deep dive. Okay, so if you've been anywhere online recently, you've probably seen it, the Nico Robot Puppy. Those videos are pretty convincing, right? Promising this realistic, interactive AI companion. Our job today, we're taking the sources you sent in, we're going to cut through all that viral hype and figure out if this is like a real breakthrough or maybe just a very slick drop shipping operation. Because it's everywhere. The marketing is just so confident.
It really is. And that's where we start, right? That core contradiction. You've got these huge claims.
Yeah, like 30 years of experience,
Huge
that's
claims.
technological innovation, things like that. But then, this supposed marvel,
Right.
it's selling for around $50. Not a huge gap, between the claims and the price. That immediately raised eyebrows in the source material we looked at. Yeah, that's a massive red flag right there. I mean, if it's truly groundbreaking, why so cheap? And that kind of leads us straight to the first big issue the sources highlighted, transparency. Or, well, the lack of it. You're supposed to buy this thing from a company with, no physical address, no working phone number, often not even a reliable email.
Right. And that total lack of accountability, I think it connects directly to what we found next, this kind of branding shell game. We saw the exact same robot, plush toy, really,
Yeah.
sold under all these different names.
Oh, like Nico.
Niki, sometimes Milo, yeah,
Mhm.
across like dozens of websites.
Wow.
And the sources are clear. This is, well, classic dropshipping behavior. The goal is quick sales, lots of volume. It's not about building a trustworthy brand or, customer support.
That's pretty wild. So, okay, if the branding is a bit of a mess, what about the reviews? Because the numbers they claim are huge. Their websites boast like over 10,000 positive reviews. A 4.7 on Trustpilot seems amazing on the surface.
Uh-huh. But then you actually dig into the verified independent reviews, the stuff you can actually trace. And the source material showed a completely different picture. The company actually averaged, get this, 1.2 stars
1.2.
from hundreds of customers who actually managed to leave, verified feedback. The math just, it doesn't add up at all.
That doesn't make any sense. It sounds like they're just making numbers up.
Well, it strongly suggests, that fake reviews, review inflation,
Mm-hmm.
it's being used pretty heavily to push people into buying before they look too closely.
Okay, so if they're going to all this trouble with marketing and maybe fake reviews, what's actually inside the puppy? Is there any cool tech, even if it's cheap?
Not really, no. What you're essentially getting, based on the teardowns and descriptions, is a very basic plush toy. It's got some simple motors inside.
So it walks a bit.
Yeah.
Barks.
Yeah, walks a little, makes some barking sounds. But that whole realistic AI companion thing, that's just marketing speak. It's meant to mislead you. If you're expecting something sophisticated, something that learns or interacts deeply, the tech just isn't there.
Yeah.
Definitely not for $50.
Right.
And this fits right into the pricing strategy, another red flag. They use that sense of manufactured urgency.
Ah, the classic 50% off today only. Timer counting down.
Exactly. And the sources report that specific offer. It seems to have been running nonstop for months.
Wow. So it's not really a sale.
It's a tactic.
Yeah.
It's designed to make you feel rushed, to trigger that impulse buy before you stop and, check the address, look for independent reviews, maybe find a video showing what it really does. They create false scarcity.
Okay.
So let's bring it back to you, the listener. If we weigh the risks versus the benefits here, based on everything we've seen in the sources, what's the takeaway?
Yeah, I think the conclusion from all our source material was pretty unified on this. The risk of dealing with a company you can't contact, that isn't transparent, and getting a product that's frankly overpromised.
Yeah.
It just significantly outweighs the benefit of buying what's essentially a standard barking plush toy.
Exactly. If you're looking for an interactive toy, say for a child, there are plenty of options out there from established companies, companies with actual customer service you can reach. So the key things to remember are, be really wary of companies you literally cannot contact. Always, always try to verify review data independently.
Don't just trust the website's number.
Definitely not. And never trust a countdown timer on a sale that seemed to go on forever.
Which brings us to a final thought for you to chew on. When you see these viral products blowing up online, how can you tell the difference? How do you spot genuine scarcity, like a real limited edition, versus just a marketing trick designed to rush you, to stop you from thinking critically?
Yeah, apply that kind of scrutiny next time you're tempted by something online. It could save you quite a bit of hassle.